Here we have another good question from set theory, and this is Olympiad preparation question number 3. You can just solve such questions for a practice and also to understand the mathematics as well. So see the beauty of mathematics over here. So let me just read question for you. Question says that if number of elements in a universal set is 60, remember that some people write the number of elements in any set by this mod notation. This creates a bit confusion. That's why people use n over here. And the number of elements in set A is 35. This term is also called the number of elements in any set is called the cardinality of a set. Similar to number of elements in A, we have notation for elements in B, we have 24. And number of elements in A union B complement. And you know that the complement means that if we have, for example, A dash, then we have U minus A. That is the very standard definition. Then the question has been asked, how many elements are there in A intersection B? That is very interesting. So what we do, we start with a definition of A union B complement. Suppose you, for example, since I know the answer, so I pretend that I don't know the answer. So if you want to calculate A intersection B, then we know that N A union B, that will be equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. Since it can happen that you have common values in A and B, then you subtract that by taking intersection. Suppose we have A is equal to 1, 2. It has 2 elements. B is equal to 3, 4. It has 2 elements. So A union B will be equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So this is the cardinality. But sometime it happens if we have 3 common, then you have to subtract that, which will be A intersection B. Take that common and subtract that value from there. So you do not overcount. So we have to find N A intersection B, and in this formula we have N A intersection B on the right hand side. So this becomes N number of elements in A intersection B equals N A plus N B minus N A union B. That's what we have. But the problem is in this question, we are not given the values for A union B. Unfortunately, we are given the values for the number of elements in A union B prime, which is not equal to, this is not equal to A union B. So it means that first of all, we find this value. When we can find this value, then we can put it over here. So let me just go back and try to find the A union B complement, or we needed A union B. I write a formula, I should say, I write a formula A union B complement that will be equal to NU minus N A union B. This is the formula, and as I already explained, that when we have A dash, then we have U minus A. And if you want to find the number of elements, then you just simply put n before these sets. So, but we needed NA union B, so we take NA union B on the left hand side, number of elements in universal set minus NA union B prime. So we already know the value number of elements in U, which is equal to 60. So this is equal to 60 minus how many elements are there in A union B prime? These are 10. And the answer is not the answer. The answer of A union B, number of elements in A union B is 50. So N A union B is equal to 50. Now, the only thing is left is to put that value over here. So N A intersection B, that's what is required in this question. Number of elements in A are 35, 35 plus number of elements in B are 24. Number of elements in A union B is minus 50. Okay. So, no, there might be some error, I think. Or maybe it is correct. Okay, this is correct, yes. So, for example, the first two addition, the addition gives 59 minus 50. So we have number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 9. That is the theory. So what is the correct answer? We have 9 over here, we have 8, we have 6, and we have none of these. And here, the correct answer is 9. So we can write the correct answer is, maybe we can just box it or tick it. Tick that. Correct answer is equal to 9. So this was very interesting question where you needed some information uh, from some other formula and get that value and put it into the correct formula.